Are you looking for the best way to enjoy free over-the-air television in 2026? In this video, we have selected the 5 best HDTV antennas for 2026 that offer strong signal reception, impressive channel availability, and reliable performance for both urban and rural locations. Whether you want local news, live sports, or your favorite television shows without monthly fees, these antennas can help. Watch until the end to discover the best option for your needs. Links in the description. Number 5. The PEAWI 2026 Digital TV Antenna is an excellent solution for anyone looking to enjoy free over-the-air television broadcasts with impressive picture quality and dependable signal reception. Designed to support 8K, 4K, and 1080p content, this antenna allows users to access local channels without paying monthly subscription fees. It is compatible with most modern smart televisions and provides a cost-effective way to watch live news, sports, weather updates, and entertainment programs. One of the strongest features of this antenna is its amplified booster technology, which is engineered to improve signal capture across both VHF and UHF frequencies. The extended reception capability helps users access a greater number of available channels in their region. Combined with its multi-directional design, the antenna can receive signals from multiple directions, reducing the need for constant repositioning. The reception performance is particularly impressive thanks to the advanced signal processing system. Even in challenging environments, the antenna works to maintain clear and stable broadcasts with reduced interference. This makes it a practical choice for homes located in suburban and rural areas. Another major advantage is the flexible installation design. The included 50-foot cable allows users to place the antenna in the most effective location for signal reception. Whether installed indoors near a window or mounted outdoors, it offers reliable operation throughout the year. The value for money offered by this antenna is excellent. Its weather-resistant construction, easy setup process, and support for high-definition broadcasts make it a worthwhile investment for cord cutters. Overall, the PEAWI 2026 digital TV antenna delivers strong reception, user-friendly installation, and access to free television channels, making it a smart addition to any home entertainment setup. Number 4. The wewist 2026 Premium Long-Range TV Antenna is an impressive option for households looking to access free local television channels with enhanced reception and high-definition picture quality. Designed for use with smart televisions as well as older television models, this antenna combines modern technology with a simple setup process, making it an attractive choice for both experienced users and first-time cord cutters. At the heart of the antenna is a powerful built-in amplifier that helps strengthen incoming signals and improve channel availability. The antenna is rated for coverage of more than 3,500 miles and utilizes a 360-degree reception design to capture signals from multiple directions. This allows users to enjoy local broadcasts from networks such as ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox without constantly adjusting antenna positioning. The reception quality is one of the product's biggest strengths. Advanced noise cancellation and signal optimization technologies help reduce interference while delivering sharper images and clearer sound. Whether watching live sports, local news, or entertainment programming, viewers can expect a more stable and enjoyable experience. Another highlight is the convenient installation process. The included 26-foot coaxial cable provides flexibility when choosing the best location for reception. Users can place the antenna near a window, on a wall, or in an attic to achieve optimal results. The plug-and-play design requires minimal effort, allowing channels to be accessed after a simple scan. The antenna also excels in future-ready compatibility. Support for 4K, 8K, and 1080p broadcasts ensures it can work effectively with modern home entertainment systems. Combined with its sleek design and dependable performance, it offers excellent value for viewers seeking free television programming without recurring costs. Number 3. The Yinsheep Q7 TV Antenna Outdoor is designed to help users enjoy free local television broadcasts with strong reception and impressive flexibility. Compatible with smart televisions, older television models, Fire TV, Roku TV, and ATSC 3.0 capable devices, this antenna offers a convenient way to access local channels without ongoing subscription costs. Its support for 2 televisions at the same time makes it a practical option for families and larger households. Equipped with a powerful built-in amplifier and smart IC chip technology, the antenna is engineered to improve signal strength and stability. It supports both VHF and UHF frequencies, helping users receive a broad range of local channels. The advertised reception range of more than 5,300 miles is intended to maximize channel availability and improve performance in areas where signals may be weaker. The reception quality stands out as one of the antenna's strongest advantages. Advanced signal enhancement technology helps reduce interference while delivering clearer audio and sharper picture quality. Whether watching local news, sports events, movies, or entertainment programs, viewers can enjoy a more stable viewing experience. Another key benefit is the installation flexibility. The included 38-foot high-quality coaxial cable allows users to place the antenna in locations where signal reception is strongest. Installation is straightforward and requires only a few simple steps, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. The all-weather reliability of this antenna also deserves recognition. Its waterproof housing and durable construction are designed to withstand rain, sunlight, and changing outdoor conditions. This makes it equally suitable for indoor placement, outdoor mounting, apartments, homes, and recreational vehicles. Overall, the Yin-Sheep Q7 TV antenna outdoor delivers strong performance, broad compatibility, and convenient dual television support, making it an excellent choice for viewers seeking dependable free high-definition television channels. Number 2. The nelapsano 2026 TV antenna is built for users who want a reliable way to receive free local television channels with excellent picture quality and convenient installation. Offering support for 8K, 4K, and 1080p broadcasts, this antenna provides a cost-effective alternative to traditional cable services while delivering access to popular channels including ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, PBS, and other local networks. Featuring an advanced built-in signal booster and intelligent IC chip technology, the antenna improves signal reception and helps reduce unwanted interference. The powerful amplification system is designed to capture signals from a wide range of directions, while the 360-degree reception design helps provide more consistent channel performance. This makes it a suitable option for different locations, including apartments, homes, offices, and rural areas. The advanced reception technology allows viewers to enjoy clearer images, improved sound quality, and more stable broadcasts. Whether watching live sports, breaking news, or entertainment programs, the antenna helps maintain a smooth viewing experience with reduced signal interruptions. The included 38-foot HDTV cable provides excellent placement versatility, allowing users to install the antenna in the ideal location for stronger reception. It can be placed near windows, mounted on walls, positioned on furniture, or installed outdoors depending on user preferences. The compact design also makes it easy to fit into various spaces without creating clutter. The durable construction adds further value, featuring moisture resistance and protection against changing weather conditions. Installation is simple and requires only connecting the antenna, selecting the best position, and scanning available channels. Overall, the nelapsano 2026 TV antenna is a dependable choice for anyone seeking free digital television access, strong signal performance, and flexible indoor or outdoor installation. It combines modern technology with user-friendly features to create a practical home entertainment upgrade. Number 1. The ophirs 2026 TV antenna is an advanced digital antenna designed to provide free local television channels with powerful reception and high-definition viewing quality. Built for modern entertainment setups, this antenna supports 8K, 4K, and 1080p broadcasts, allowing users to enjoy clearer images and enhanced sound without the cost of monthly television subscriptions. The antenna features a powerful built-in signal booster with smart IC chip technology that helps improve signal capture and stability. With an advertised reception range of more than 6,000 miles, it is designed to receive signals from a wide area while supporting a variety of local channels. The 360-degree reception capability allows the antenna to capture broadcasts from multiple directions, making it easier to find available channels. The enhanced signal performance is a major advantage of this model. Its advanced filtering technology helps reduce unwanted interference from cellular and FM signals, improving picture clarity and reducing noise. This allows viewers to enjoy smoother broadcasts for movies, sports, news, and entertainment programs. The included 52-foot coaxial cable provides excellent installation convenience, giving users the freedom to position the antenna where reception is strongest. It can be installed on windows, walls, cabinets, outdoor railings, or other locations. The waterproof and moisture-resistant exterior also makes it suitable for outdoor environments, including homes, garages, RVs, and outdoor areas. The complete package adds further value as the antenna includes a USB power cable, power adapter, mounting accessories, and detailed instructions. Setup is simple by connecting the antenna, choosing the best position, and scanning for channels. Overall, the ophirs 2026 TV antenna offers impressive range, reliable amplification, and flexible installation options. It is a practical choice for viewers looking to access free high-definition television channels with strong and consistent performance. Thank you for watching our countdown of the 5 best HDTV antennas for 2026. Choosing the right antenna can help you enjoy more free channels with excellent picture quality and dependable reception. We hope our recommendations made your decision easier. Share your thoughts and favorite pick in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and technology updates. See you in the next video.